I really recorded drunk balls right now. Screwdriver. Oh, you're so lucky there's nice walls all around your ass. I'm throwing a screwdriver at you. You want to get stuck with a little screwdriver? Come on. No. I'm pretty good at throwing knives. Show me your ass again.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
I'll get my sword. I'll get my sword.
Oh, what is that? A koak? Come on. Show me your ass again. Show me your ass.
John, just do it. Do it. Do it for the video. Do it for the video.
Do it for the video. Show me your ass. No balls.
No,
turn around. Balls. Turn around. Show me your ass.
Hit me with that shit.
Just your ass. Just your ass.
No.
Just your ass.
It's small enough to go in there, and I don't want it.
It's not going in your ass.
Go put the screwdriver away.
Okay, it's away.
No, it's in your ass.
Put it in your pocket.
Oh,
That's catch.
That would have just poked you.
Oh shit.